What's up, DCV fam? We back on the GTR. About to get this ready to paint. Got my line taped off. I got me some guide coat on that. I'm about to block it. Got all this off. I gotta get this tape out the way. We're gonna get it cleaned up, and then we're gonna get the ball rolling, get some paint on this thing. Alright, so now we gotta take a picture of this thing to get this color right. Anything to help it?
Make sure it's perfect.
I like to use blankets because you can wrap them around the tire. Unlike a regular tire cover, they don't cover the whole wheel. There we go. Let's put this plastic on here. You normally go over it and you cut it, or you just cut it?
However you feel.
Fold it like that?
Lay over it
and
just do you a line. It'll be easy. Yeah, man, I'm trying to get my videos up, man. What we got?
So,
I'm trying to get my videos up. I gotta get my videos up, man.
So what you calling your channel, D?
I don't know yet. Man in the hat. We got our real hair going, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We got it professional.
You being creative, bro. Now I see why he want to use my tape. There we go.
That's the only bad thing I think about leaving my head over it might fall out. No?
There you go.
No? That's a good time.
Boy, I might have just created something. GoPro beanie. Alright. So, got it all taped up. About to put a little etch and prime on these metal spots. Put a little sealer on it. We're going to start laying base on it. Alright, so we got the base on it, got it all covered, looking good. Wait on it to dry a little bit more, and then we're gonna hit it with the tack rag, and then we're gonna put some clear on this bad boy. Our first coat of clear on it, looking pretty good too. A couple little nibs of trash in it, but that'll sand and buff out. Ain't that bad for the first coat. Just a little spot job, ain't nothing big, something that I want to fool with. Tell me what y'all think about the video, you know, if y'all want to see more videos like this, of me doing little repairs. And I love doing this stuff. I'm gonna do it no matter what. I love doing it, you know, especially on $150,000 cars. Got all kind of nice stuff come through this shop that we can do videos on. We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then in the morning, put the car back together, sand and buff it, hit the streets. Alright, get this headlight in. Headlight bolted down. A lot of bolts put back in this thing. Alright, we got the bumper back on. Now I'm about to pull it around so we can sand and buff the fender, polish the whole car, and it ain't looking like it's a good day to race. Rain is not participating today. Hopefully the sun pop out in the next couple hours. Go from there. Pretty much Japan's finest against Italy's finest. So pretty much what I'm doing now is just wet sanding the clear, getting all the imperfections out so we can pass the buffer on it, and then we're gonna polish the whole car, make sure it ain't got no overspray on it, and we're gonna wash this bad boy up. But it's looking good though. Barely has any trash in it, so it's not gonna take us long. Alright guys, We got the GTR ready to go, and of course, it is raining. Don't look like we're gonna be doing any playing around today, but talk with my customer, and we're gonna try to get together tomorrow morning. Man, it's cold out here. Golly. But I just had to get these 3 things parked up here: the red, dark red, fire red, and matter of fact, the GTR almost the same color as the Scat Pack. All right, DCV fam, I am back at the shop. Man, that was some fun runs with that GTR. That GTR rollout, man, he making a little bit more power than me, but I'm a little bit lighter than him, a little bit more aerodynamic. So on the big end, you see I'm kind of pulled away from him, but man, it was fun. We was hoping to do some more runs, but he had business to go take care of. I did too. So we just got out there, made some pulls. But man, it was fun. I had a blast. The cars did awesome with the weather being so cool. We both kind of spun a little bit. It's crazy. I would never think that all-wheel drive cars would spin, but they spin because them roads cold, and then they getting that little extra density in the air. That boost just coming in hard. So man, we had a good time. I had an amazing time making this video for y'all, showing y'all from beginning to end. It was a little fender repair, nothing big, but I just wanted to give y'all a little eyeful on what I do, during the week, especially on a car like that. It's a beautiful car. Appreciate the customer for participating and all that. But I mean, like, man, I just enjoyed it. It was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button. And make sure y'all keep checking these videos. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace out.